Hi, my name is Tanya and we flew in here from Dubai. We're very lucky to get this opportunity to come here and see the facility and meet the faculty.
My name is Bhupendra Joshi. I'm coming from Sydney, Australia. My first impression of SGU campus is better than what I was expecting. Coming here has been worthwhile.
Honestly, when we were coming here, we had a lot of questions because it's a very far away place and sending our son to a medical school this far. But after seeing the place, it's not just a fantastic place, it's amazing. The faculty, we were shown the lab and the resources the students will have during these 5 years is just simply outstanding. The way the technology has been mixed with the medical studies and made so useful and easy and interesting and interactive for the students. At one point I wanted to I asked if I could start studying, but it has been fantastic, way more than what I had expected.
The campus tour, especially going to the anatomy section, definitely impressed me more. So it feels like SGU has got all the ingredients to make the right doctors.